Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST. Under the hood it has a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black and it comes with the halogen quad headlamps right there. We do got the Dodge logo right over here, and then moving around the side we do have the 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and there's still tons of tread left on those guys. They look great. We do have heated exterior mirrors over here as well in the matte black. They go very nicely with the handles. Now it does have an 8-foot box coming around back here. Looks great. Open that guy up for you. I'll let me show you. There's snow in it right now, but it does have the box liner in it, which is great. It'll keep it nice and safe for you. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's take a look. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, but let's unlock it and jump on in. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, as well as windows. You got some chrome accenting on the handle here, as well as you got a little handle here with the Ram logo, and then you got a little bit more storage down here with a space for like a water bottle or something, and then you got another little storage container right here. It is a very soft feel to it as well, which is really nice. You do have the control of your lights here, your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams. Let's focus on those. There we go. As well, you do have control over your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wipers right here. Okay, inside now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. In the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. You can change that guy in the middle from your speedometer to your vehicle info, your fuel economy. You got your trip A and B. You got your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it is too bright. You do have all those guys right there. Now that is all controlled right from your steering wheel here. As well, it does have Bluetooth, so you do have your voice recognition, your call out button. You got your horn in the center and your cruise control options. This guy is your gear shift, of course, so just right there. Then you also have a 5-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your Sirius XM, and it does come with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase the vehicle. You got your FM and your AM, of course, and then you also have your media device if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth, USB, or through an aux cord. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up. You got a compass, you got your settings, and you got more if you did want to access your clock with your temperature outside. This guy is your volume up and down, as well as your screen off, your back button, and your browser. Then down here you do have your power up and down with your hazard lights there. You got your circulation, your AC, and your heat. And then over here you do have where it's going to blow out of. Down here you have your options over your tow and haul mode and your traction control. And then you got a little storage container here as well. In the center you do have your armrest and 3 cup holders. You can lift that guy up, and you do have some storage in here, as well as your aux cord and your USB plug-in is in there as well. You can also lift this guy up, and you got another seat, so it does seat 3 all together, which is very nice. You can open this guy up, and you do got your glove box in here. Your owner's manual will be in there as well. And then up top here, you do have your lights. If you did want to get into the back, you just pull this guy, and it folds forward, and you can access the back here. There's a couple little hooks and whatnot back there as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.